Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I did this zombie makeup look. This is like a makeup look for beginners because I'm terrible at this type of makeup look, but I feel like this turned out really well and I'm really happy with how it turned out. So if you want to see how I did this, then just keep on watching. Hi. So I'm not like the best at doing zombie or gory kind of makeup, but I'm gonna try because I have an idea in my head and I'm gonna go with it. So I'm just gonna put my hair behind me and tuck my ear behind my back. So I know I already got like the glam makeup on. I wanted to change this look that I've got on into the zombie makeup because I absolutely love this look so much. It's one of my favourites and I thought it would go really well because it's like dark and mysterious and I just love this look. But I've already filmed a video of me doing this look, so if you want to see that video I'll like put it in the link. So I thought I'm not going to film me doing it again, so I thought I'd just jump straight into doing the zombie stuff. So I don't exactly know what the fuck that I'm doing, just to put that out there. I'm just going to go along with it and see where I end up. I did get the Revolution red highlighter, which looks amazing, and I want to try this out. So this is why we're doing this video. So I'm just going to zoom you in and let's get started. Alright, so what I'm going to do, because I'm a zombie, I want to put like shit under my eyes so my eyes are all bruised and gross and stuff. So I don't know where to start. I've got a couple of palettes laid out here. So I'm going to take like a yellowy colour. So I'm going to go into the Beauty Bay palette and I'm going to sort of take this base colour here, which is really yellowy. I know it looks like really light, but it's really yellowy, and sort of mix it with this orange here just to get like that undertony grossness. Just a little bit, dab it off. There. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but I can see it. It's just giving me that gross undertone, making my skin look a bit orangey and yellow and not healthy. So I'm just going back and forth and mixing those two colours together. So now I'm going to go in with the Petra palette and I'm going to use the colour Mousse, which is like a grey colour, and I'm going to put that under my eyes. Perfect. I'm just building up and layering different colours to make me look ill and to make my eyes look like they've sunken in. Oh, you can already tell on camera it looks quite good. My eyes look like they're sinking. So now I'm going to go to the Visionary palette. So many palettes. And I'm going to take like a purple, okay, so I'm going to take this purpley colour and mix it with the grey colour underneath. Just for more, you know, gross definition. Ooh, yeah, I like that. Okay, it's coming along. I want to do it like build up the colours because, you know, when you get a bruised eye or something, there's so many like different layers of colours that are in it, in a bruise. Oh, that looks cool. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm going to go to back to the Beauty Bay palette, and they've got a black, matte black. So I'm just going to take that, like a very slight bit of it, and dust it off. Like the tiniest bit. Okay, clean my brush off and... Okay, and I'm going to take the orangey base that I did and just sort of like... I'm not trying to be neat with this, like it's supposed to be a bit messy because you're a fucking zombie. There we go. Okay. Now for my cheek rouge. So I'm basically going to do the same thing. I'm going to take some greys and like contour out my cheeks like that to look sort of grey. So again, I'm gonna do like the same thing, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna do the same thing and do like an orangey base. Literally just winging it. And then I'm gonna take the grey from the Petra palette with a little bit of black from the Beauty Bay palette. So it sort of looks like that. Okay, this side went okay. I put too much on the other side. I'm just sort of going like that and then down, just to give that, you know, like skeleton look. Ooh! Okay, I want to put a little bit more grey. Because, you know, my skin is decaying. And I'm just going to fill this little bit in with grey as well. Okay, I do want to darken it up with black, but that black is so strong. I need like a darker grey. I don't have a darker grey. Again, like, it's not supposed to look perfect. You know? I might add a little bit of purple to it as well. Okay, this side has more definition than this side. I'm just scared to use too much black. Okay, so now I'm going to go back, add a tad of that purple. Ooh, yeah. Okay. I literally don't. I like my under eyes, but this is just going a bit weird, but I'm going to work with it. I'm basically contouring with dark colours. That's exactly what I'm doing. Sort of what I had in my head anyway. So I'm going to put the orangey colour around my forehead, going with the purpley colour, going with the grey colour. We're just layering, that's what we're doing. Ooh, yeah. I think that really like sunken in and gross. This is interesting. And now with the black, mixed with a bit of the grey, just to tone it down. Just gonna sort of do this like on the corners. Oh, okay, I like it, I like it, I like it, I like it. Okay. So I'm going to take a little brush, go in with my purple grey mix and sort of put that down the side of my nose. I want to make my nose look kind of skinny, I guess, like it's wearing away, like so. And now black. This black is absolutely dangerous, it's so pigmented. Like just a little bit and it's like that. I'm just sort of dipping my brush into this dark purple here with the one in the top corner here and the grey, and just putting that there. Ooh, that looks good. Okay, I like that purple. And I might put that purple like in my inner corner. So, you know, it looks like you've been punched in the face. Oh! So I'm going to mix those two purples and the grey. And we're putting this around my nose. Actually, let's do a bit of the grey first. Again, like, this doesn't have to be neat. Like, when have you ever seen a neat zombie? And then I'm going to put a bit of the orange just to make it look a bit bruised. And then that dark purple, just to darken it up a bit. I'm just gonna, literally I'm just playing with these 3 purple colours as my base. Just putting some under my lip and in my little dip here. And then going back to the orange, I'm literally, honestly, just winging this as I do this. Ooh, that was way too much orange. Let's go a little bit more purple. Oh, that looks cool. Okay, so now, actually, yeah, let me put some of that darker, which one? That one, darker purple on my forehead. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to highlight, which I know is a weird thing to do, but I want to highlight like my cheekbones here and then down my nose so it looks like it's bone, do you know what I mean? So I'm going to take my Imagination palette. I look so creepy. Oh my god, I can't open this. And I'm going to take the white. It's called Limited Edition. I'm just taking that colour. And I'm going to take my Jacqueline Hill brush and just put that there. Okay, I like the way this turned out. Oh my god, I'm excited now. So now, it's my favourite part. So I don't know how I'm going to do this. I need an old brush that I don't care about. You. Okay, well I wanted to make it, I want it to look like that I've been eating people. So I'm going to put this around my mouth. It's going to be lovely. I'm just going to do a couple of dots. And then get my brush and just like stipple it. You see, it's actually got on my lips as well. I should have put red lipstick on first. And I should have done this first, but I'm just going to put it on there. You always see zombies with gunk around their mouths and just do a dripping there. I love dripping bits. Just dripping slowly. Like blood's coming out the corners of my mouth because I've just eaten something really juicy. This is so gross. Zombies are messy. Whatever. That looks really good. Whatever, zombies are really messy anyway. Let's do the classic what everybody else does and do a gunshot on my forehead. So I'm just going to take the black just to create the hole. Take a bit of red around the outside, like, you know, it hurts. Oh, it looks so crazy right now. Got me looking so crazy right now. Love's got me looking so crazy right now. Come on, I want you to drip down the middle of my nose. So cool because it's sparkly. I have sparkly blood I have gold flakes in my blood because, you know, I'm extra. I really need to clean this brush off. It's tickling, I'm just letting it like go where it wants to go. Oh, I need to take some colour down my neck actually, because can't have a zombie face and then a perfect human neck, can you? So now I'm just going to take this colour, these gross colours down my neck. So where's my purple at? I'm mixing it with grey level together, these two. I'm again, like, it's not perfect, I think it's orange. More grey. Take some more dark purple colour. I need my colour as well. Oh yes. So I've just tried to rub this off my hand and it's like stained my fingers. So this is going to be interesting when I take this makeup off. This is the finished makeup look. I was scratched by a zombie and I turned into this glam zombie because I had this amazing makeup on to start with, and I got shot in the head. So this is the finished makeup look. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and this was really fun to like experiment with. Like, I'm not the best at doing zombie makeup, but I feel like this turned out really, really well. So I'm going to call this like zombie makeup for beginners, or glam zombie for beginners, because I'm a beginner in this type of makeup, but I feel like this turned out really, really well, and this worked really well as fake blood, and it's got a bit of sparkle to it. So yeah, I just don't know if it's going to stain my face like it stained my fingers, so we're going to wash this off and find out. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!